Here's a 2009 Toyota Corolla. Get an all-access pass to life in a car that doesn't just get you there, it gets you. It's well equipped with the features you need: auxiliary audio input, power mirrors, manual tilting steering column, two 12-volt power outlets, manual telescoping steering column, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and power windows. Edmunds.com reports the Corolla is the quintessential economy car. It's small, inexpensive, fuel efficient, and reliable. Put gas in it, give it the occasional oil change, and it will provide dependable transportation well past the 100,000-mile mark. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.